Hello everyone and welcome to another editing guide tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a basic animation using Photoshop CS3. First of all, what you have to do is make a new file. It can be any dimension because this is just an example. Then what you have to do is go to Window and go down to Animation to expose the animation bar. And we're going to do an animation where it goes from 1 to 5. And for that we're going to need 5 of these little animation frames. For that we're going to have to duplicate the frame, so we'll do that 5 times. Right, so now you've got 5 frames. Now what you have to do is you have to create 5 layers. See, then we're going to make layer 1 number 1. So go to animation frame 1, then you get the text tool and select this. Press 1. Just how about 1 to start off with in frame 1? It's a logical choice. Put that in the middle. Now what you got to do is you have to go to layer 2. After this will be frame 2. Then you now have to select to put that over the top of here. Now the trouble is they overlap with each other, which you can see here. So what we have to do is change the visibility of the layers in each frame. So go back to frame 1, and we don't want number 2 showing in frame 1, so we press make it invisible, so click the eye. We only want number 1 showing on frame 1, so then we click the eye off each layer here. Okay, and for frame number 2 we don't want number 1 showing, so we click the eye, and we want number 2 showing, so then we click the eye to make it visible. You see what I mean? So frame 1, that layer is visible. Frame 2, that layer is visible, and the rest aren't. Okay, so number 3, we have to make another number 3. Make that roughly in the middle. Then we have to do is make sure that 1 is invisible. And then you have to make sure 2 is invisible. And you have to make sure 3 is invisible. Right. Now we have to do number 4. Right, and then make 1 invisible. Then make 4 invisible here. Make 4 invisible here. And make 4 invisible here. Now you got 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we need 5. Same again, go to text, make 5, resize it to make it go into the middle, then make that invisible, make that invisible, nope, make that invisible, make that invisible, make that 5 invisible, make that 5 invisible. It's quite tedious, but this is how you animate. And as you can see now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we need to see this arrow here that I'm clicking on. So this is where I'm at now. This selects how long it takes to go between one frame to another. And for this demonstration we're going to make it in seconds. So we're going to have 1 second between each frame. And now that should be your animation. Click play to find out. Yep, it works. That's how you make a basic animation, and you can use this to experiment with various other techniques and post some videos. Let me know. There it is. Hope this helped you, and subscribe if you want to get some more videos in the future. Thanks for watching, guys.